Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we'll understand one of the most fundamental concepts in Java, that is the class and object. Okay, with the real-time example. So if you are just starting in Java, this will make everything super clear. Okay, let us begin. So what is a class? Your class in Java is like a blueprint. Okay, it defines what properties and actions an object will have. For example, imagine you are designing a car. All the cars will have a common properties like a brand, color, speed, right? And the same like behavior, start, stop, and accelerate. So that blueprint is a class. So what is an object? An object is an actual car built from the blueprint, like a Honda City or BMW. So each object has its own brand, speed, and behavior. So while the class defines the design, an object is a real world instance you can interact with. Okay. Let us understand with the simple example. Here I have created a car class. Okay. So now here we have created a car class with the two variable. Okay. One is a brand and one is a speed. Okay. And the two methods I have created over here. One is a start method, one is a accelerate method. So now let us create a two object from the class. So in main method, you can create, so I'll create an instance of the car class. So car1 equal to new car. So car1 is this variable, car1 dot, we have a brand equal to, you can pass any brand. So simply I have given a Honda. Okay. Now car1 dot, here we have a speed is there. Okay. So speed I can give, initially it's a 0 because already it's going to add a 10. So I'm simply add a 0 now. So car1 dot, you can start, then same way car1 dot accelerate. Okay. So now the same way we can create another object as well. Okay. Another object car2 equal to new car. Here car2 dot, again we can give a brand. Brand is a different brand. You can give something like a BMW. Okay. Now car2 dot, you can give a speed. Okay. So speed equal to, simply you can give 20. Now car2 dot start. Same way car2 dot accelerate. So now here each object like car1 and car2 we have created. So each object car1 and car2 has its own values. Okay. So different values, right? And uses the method defined in the class. We are defining the whatever the class defined in the class we are using over here. Okay. So car1 is a Honda and car2 is a BMW. Okay. When we run this code, I'll run this code. See now, here Honda is starting. Honda is now going at the 10 kilometer. So BMW is starting. BMW is now going at the 30 kilometer speed. Okay. So a class is a blueprint. Okay. An object is a real instance of the class. So you can create a multiple object from the same class. So each with their own data. Okay. This is all about class and object. I hope this is clear. See you in the next video.